CT1 is the scientifically engineered product that performs like no other. Due to CT1's unique formulation, it can perform in the most difficult applications where conventional products fail. CT1's strength and versatility make normally difficult materials bond easily and effectively, saving hours of labour. And when fully cured, is capable of resisting fluctuating temperature. CT1 replaces the need for several different types of product and is perfect for many different types of installations, such as bathrooms and kitchens. This incredible product has the ability to rapidly bond and seal multiple materials, including marble and granite, without staining. Guaranteed. CT1 is easy to use. It creates a rapid bond, giving you immediate results. CT1 is a unique hybrid polymer that will never shrink or crack. Making it a perfect filler for even the most difficult joints. It's no wonder the professionals call CT1 the snag list eliminator. CT1 can cope with the most difficult gap-filling applications. And can be painted over in a matter of minutes. CT1 is the permanent solution for problematic settlement crack situations, both internally and externally. CT1 can replace the need for drilling and fixing, especially on materials that are difficult to drill. CT1 is 100% volatile organic compound free, containing no solvents, so it will not stain or attack sensitive materials. It is the most environmentally friendly product of its type available. CT1 is every tradesman's friend, dealing with a multitude of tasks, even the ever-annoying leaking gutters and multiple remedial repairs. CT1 is the ultimate multitask product and will take care of emergency repairs, saving hours of labour and expense. CT1 is the #1 choice of the professional as a multi-purpose construction adhesive that can bond a multitude of construction materials in any combination. CT1 yields excellent performance time after time and remains flexible, ensuring continuity of performance. CT1 can seal, can bond, and can finish, even underwater. CT1 has been used in many prominent projects, such as the Princess Diana Memorial Fountain, and more recently, the Bomber Command Memorial in London. CT1 still retains the crown of the #1 sealant and adhesive for every professional.